Oh my God, it's gonna get hot. It's gonna get hot, 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 hot. It's gonna get hot, 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 hot. It's gonna get hot, 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 hot. It's gonna get hot, 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 hot. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I? I'm stupid. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's gonna get. How's it happening? What's going on? What's going on? What's up, guys? Anubis, Mark R. Peace, love, health, wealth, happiness. Lots of money bags. Thank you, Mark. Yeah, this is AI, of course. I'm not really a great artist. If I did, I wish I could draw like this. But yeah, not bad at all, right? How's everything with you guys? You know what? Hold on. I want to play that song again. It's good. I like the song. The market is coming close. You already know. It's gonna get it's gonna get CVM. Oh yeah. Let's see. CVM. Well, I got confused with CVX, which is Chevron. Yeah, man. Ham talked about CVM on William's Sunday stream. I see who's telling me. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Let's see, markets continue to barcode as they stabilize from the recent weakness. Still suspect of the intermediate term trend while below declining 50-day SMA, I guess. Just use a reminder that trading is hard. Those sellers seem to come in at the same time these last few trading sessions. At 1 p.m. Eastern time exactly. What is that? What time frame is that? Is that 15-minute time frame? I'm gonna have to look it up and see how that looks like. But yeah, right as of right now, we're having a little bit of a sell-off here, and SPY is actually under 544, which is great. It's all turning back down. You can pretty much see how it failed to bounce off the 200 day SMA on the 5-minute chart, and now it's back. Now the 50-day simple moving average is back below the 200-day, and the 7-day is now below the 50-day. So it's all falling into a bearish divergence, and therefore I would like to see this flush down the toilet. Not financial advice. And just remember that anything that's being said here in this stream and on the chat is just strictly in our opinion. And just know that you are your own decision maker of your own money and your investments. As long as you're trading safely, know your limits and you know your risks. As long as you're making money, that is what truly matters. Alright? So just remember that as always. Welcome back to another stream with yours truly, Line of All Trades. And hope everyone is doing well. I know it's only you and Mark and Anubis on the chat as of right now. And I'm currently, I guess, waiting for I thought it was first. Give me 1 second. So wait, did it stop already? No, it's still going. It looks like it's not even moving right now. It looks like the SPY just froze at 5:43.96. You see this? Is it just me, or is it like the internet bugging out or whatever? Huh. Hello, SPY. Move down. Oh, 5:44.02 now. Jeez. Jesus. That's weird. I would think that it would actually start that bearish divergence that I just mentioned, I gotta check the larger time frames too to see what's going on here. Larger time frames also showing that the 50-day simple moving average is turning back down, and the 7-day. So this is also a confirmation right there. Right here, this MACD, this is also showing a signal that just took place, and it's usually that red dot that's right there, which would further confirm that, in my opinion. NFA, and also the Elliott wave oscillator here is actually looking to drop some more. So that's so far that's what I'm getting. But yeah, we do have to lose 544 again. Try to break below 543.85, and hopefully, if we break below these last 3 wicks here around this area, around maybe 543.40. And continue that trend, we definitely see more of a sell-off later on. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I know. But yeah, apparently, let me see, because I think, wait, why did I take off the, hold on, why did I take this off? There was a post that I was just looking at. Yeah. I wanted to see how peace, love, and happiness. But in the meantime, like, I'll take a look at this a little bit. Let me go ahead and look at CVM and see what this is all about. What is so what is sell side? Oh, sell side. So CVM today announced the closing of its previously announced best efforts offering of 10,845,000 shares, and of its common stock. Hmm. Um. So it looks like it had a run before, back October 20th of last year. But now it's trading below the 200-day simple moving average. Um, could it be turning back around at this point here, or let's see? Because it has a signal here, so I don't know if this is the start of the stock to come back down a bit, then pull back. The lowest was 104, the 52-week range. Let's see. So, a clinical stage biotechnology company engages in the research and development of immune system therapy for the treatment of cancer and other diseases in the United States. The company's lead immunotherapy is multi-kind, and which has completed phase 3 clinical trials for the potential treatment of certain head and neck cancers. Wow. Okay. Let me check. Just quickly see. Oh wow. Okay, there's I didn't even know there was I didn't even know there were options chains for CVM. So the $2 strike is picking up on some volume there in open interest, and so there's no weeklies here. September 20th, not so much. October, it's got some open interest there for October, from $2, $3, $4 strike, $5 strike. January, yeah, it's mostly concentrated on the $2 calls. Okay. Let's see, what's for dinner? Fried plantains. They're like cut into slices and then mashed and then fried again. And then got some salami with that, fried salami. Okay, so here it says it's also developing products based on its proprietary technology, ligand, epitope, antigen, presentation system technology, CBM. It was incorporated in 1983 and is headquartered in Vienna, Virginia. Okay, so okay. Oh, okay, so you have no position in CVM currently. Again, not financial advice, alright? Just our opinions and observations and speculating on what's potential here for an entry. But your buy entry would be 106 or 107. Let's check the 4 hour real quick. Okay, so you can already tell right off the bat here. There is some sort of consolidation happening on the 4 hour, and yeah, it does look like the last area of support, I would say, is around 110. So that would probably be like a potential entry point. Depending on what the situation is here. So I want to say maybe here. Let me look a little. Hold on, let me just go back to. Actually, let me look at the weekly. Okay, so compared to here, that was 87 cents back in. That was back in 2018. I'm not going that far. Apparently was here, so here we had a low of 104 back in October 23rd of 2023, but it looks like it had respected this area of support back then, last year. And if you take a look at it, technically it's like, I mean, it's just me just being hypothetical here, of course, but if you think about it, this is like kind of like a double bottom. Oh, why does it draw like that? It's so weird. So it's kind of like a double bottom, and maybe we got like another pick me up here. I mean, not so like right away, but if, let's say, like those phase 3 clinical trials, and those trials get approved, I mean, become successful, and then later on gets approved by I guess FDA or whoever it is that's gonna approve that, to potentially score big and have the potential to have the stock benefit from the news, from the catalyst, and yeah, then maybe we can see something crazy. What? So for now, let's see. I'll leave this. Actually, let me hide the drawings. Oh, Zelly. Good morning. Rise and shine. Oh, wherever you are, I forget. Where you at? Where you at? Living in the London Bridge. No, so yeah, so back to the 4 hour. Get a little closer here, and you see a little bounce here off on the 7-day SMA. If you zoom into the MACD, you see like the red line here trying to establish a bottom and try to go for a reversal. This would have to start rising, well, not rising, but like, you know, kind of like what you see here. I want this to start stepping back up and turning like a dark orange, like a red. You see the red, like it just gets hotter and hotter and starts going up, and then eventually you have this pop from here. That's the same thing that we need to see here in this occasion. And so afterwards you see the MACD turn back around. And look, DBMM, look, I'm using the Elliott wave oscillator. It's so freaking cool. Ever since you told me about it, started using it more. Honestly, I don't even know what's happening to GTII, but I'll take a look at it in a few moments. Okay, so the share offering killed the momentum that it had on July 26th, which was right over here. And if you can see here, it took the stock from a low of 121 to a high of 222 right here. So right there. So my thing is, we go to the 1 hour. Now we're seeing something happen. Now we're starting to see something happen here on the 1 hour. So it seems like I need water. Like we got a bounce from 116, and it ended up closing at 122 in post market. But if it does end up like coming back up to 125, 126, but rejects the 200-day simple moving average, then it could go bearish. But if not, if it starts to break through, because what I'm seeing here at the moment currently is the 7-day simple moving average here turning back around and a reversal and starting to climb up, and the candle is pretty much printing above it. So those who are actually seeing that come back, and perhaps we see more volume on this type of scenario, I feel like it could definitely go for another round, in my opinion. So entry wise, NFA, that could be possible if maybe it can go down to 110. Mark R says 106, but we would have to see about that. But as we're looking at the smaller time frames, it looks like it's trying to take the bounce right now and then probably push back up. On the 45-minute chart, same thing. You can see the Elliott wave oscillator getting hotter. See some bars here turning like a dark, not a dark red, but like a fire red, or I don't know what you want to call this, neon red. It's pretty much getting hot. Just think of it as the temperature, all right? The temperature, you see it has like medium heat, and then medium high, and then it's like high. But then when you see it like really red, that's like super hot. Like it's going back up. So just think of it like that. And here you have a nice trend happening here. You got a bull signal, which is, you know, not as accurate sometimes, but do follow this trend and think that is what's gonna make this stock try to push up some more. You got the the 30-minute, and then you got the 15, the 10. All you see is this long consolidation. So it definitely cut its momentum to the downside, and it's now in this process. And hopefully, we do see that take place tomorrow, or yeah, within this week. Probably see this push back over 125 and then 130, and yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll probably update I'll keep an eye on it actually, and I'll look at it tomorrow and see how the action is, and post some updates on the Discord too as well. So as of right now, let's see what the SPY is doing. Alright, so the SPY is also consolidating a little bit, but it looks like it's really wanting to take more of a dump because it deserves it. But yeah, I would like to see the SPY reject and break below 543.50, and then we have more downside potential leading towards 541. So 541 would have to be the next level. Bearish case scenario, if it continues to the downside, I would like to see that break down and lose all the gains. Eric G, what's going on with you, man? Welcome back. It's good to see you. I think I did message. I tagged you on Discord because I was looking at what was going on in California and Utah. There was 2 earthquakes that happened, I think, probably in the same time. So yeah, I think it was one was like a 4.9 in California, not too far from LA, and then 5.4 in Utah, I think. I don't know if that was like brought down, but yeah. So hopefully nobody got shook over there, and everyone's okay. But GTII though, let's talk about it real quick, because I haven't seen GTII. Well, I haven't looked over it, but wow, it looks like wow, what's going on here? Thanks, Kukui. So the range for today was from one penny to 8 cents. Oh wow. TA. Yeah, but you know what's funny though? All I see here is like, I don't know if these are considered wash trades. Just back and forth, going back and forth between 1 penny and 8 cents. I mean, I don't understand this algorithm at all. And yeah, I do think that it does look like it's useless, but then again, I want to say that the MACD and the Elliott wave, seems like the temperature is getting a lot more hotter. So I don't know what that's all about. Damn, you sold 90% GTII with 100k loss. Damn, so wow. I haven't spent time watching TA and stocks for a while. Actually, waiting for. Oh shoot! Hold on. Okay, so I just got the alert on SPY, but Yeah, this thing here, it's something's going on. Something's going on. The TA, especially the moving averages, the simple moving averages, just turning around here on the 24-hour. Yeah, I don't know, but I mean, this is supposed to be bullish indicators here, the way that it looks. But yeah, I don't know. I have to figure that out. Don't at me, bro. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Don't at me, bro. And it looks like the SPY hit an alert here, and it broke just below 543.45. So I am looking for. I'm looking for this to continue its downside trajectory. RKT, is that Rocket Companies? Yeah. Rocket? Hold on. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, it is Rocket Companies. There you go. Okay. It's pulling back right there. How far will it go? I just wanted to fall. I always wanted to fall to 500 tomorrow, if that's even possible. But yeah, we could just look at this here, because right now we're just seeing bearish divergence here on the MACD and the Elliott Wave Oscillator. This is on the 5-minute chart for Rocket Companies, and you can see it right here too. It's lost momentum and it's coming back down. This was the last, this was pretty much, from the last run here around, wait, what is this? Hold on. Oh, que pasa, Benjamin? What's going on? How was your weekend? How's everything going? So look, wow, so it looks like it's been coming up here since 14 and change. Let's look at the 24-hour real quick. Actually, no, the daily, because I want to see if there's any type of there's any gaps here between. Wow, but overall though, on the daily, it's like it's been consistently in a trend here. Don't at me, bro. Is you in this for the long term? Like, this has been coming back up from a low of 687 here back 2 years ago, and it's a slow mover. I mean, just the way this is looking. And here you got the golden cross here that took place around December of last year, mid-December, and ever since here you get to see the trend. Looks pretty interesting here. Oh, that's good, man. I appreciate you checking in, and I'm glad that everything is good with you, Benjamin. So thank you for showing the love. Much love back at you, and everybody else that's in here currently on the stream. Thank you all. And yeah, just talk amongst ourselves and see what's going on. SQQQ pumping almost 1% right now, as SPY is 0.22% below in the negative. So that is definitely, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I got a 10 average. Thanks for the TA. A 10 average? What is that? Let's see. Oh, so their earnings is on August 1st, post market. The estimate to beat is 1.2 219 billion revenue, and estimate earnings is 0.049 to beat. Damn. Let me look at the 4 hour. It looks like it's just like capping off here from 1650 and it's getting a pullback. So, could it be that earnings misses and then this drops right back down to maybe I'm just gonna make a hypothetical guess here. I mean, hold on. Let's see, because I want to actually check this out. And yeah, everybody's coming in here. Damn. Anybody? Peeps from California, if you felt that earthquake from today, let me know. So, what we got going on here? What happened to last earnings? So they beat earnings. Wow, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So 6 times before they had beat earnings. Wow. Oh, the surprise was not bad. Was not good though. And then it was good. Last earnings. 1.219. Reported was 1.384, so they're expecting it to be less than last earnings. So then if it misses, then that's gonna be bad. But then if they're estimating it to be less than what they reported before, I don't know. In my opinion, that might not be a good thing. Let's see. The market expects rocket companies to deliver a year-over-year increase in earnings on lower revenues when it reports results for the quarter ending June 2024. And this widely known consensus outlook is important in assessing the company's earnings picture, but a powerful factor that might influence its near-term stock price and how the actual results compare to these estimates. Let's see, the earnings report, which is expected to be released on August 1st. Yeah, SPY's dropping. Sorry, Alright, let me try to see what's going on here. My bad, yo. I need to. SPY is dropping. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh, let it continue. I got another alert for 542.70, so that's what I'm talking about. I have to get this damn sunscreen off? What the hell? Oh shoot. This company is expected to post quarterly earnings of 5 cents per share in the upcoming report, which represents a year-over-year change of plus 350%. Revenues are expected to be 1.23 billion, down 0.7% from the year-ago quarter. That's what I'm saying. Like, is this you're trying to downplay the earnings for rocket companies? It's interesting, but I feel like, you know, as of right now, it could see a temporary pullback, and I would say that perhaps 1550. I want to say 1550. I'll give it 1550. as the next level of support for rocket companies, and then of course 1650 is the resistance. If let's say things happen with the market, so like there's more pullback, like literally this thing will just literally continue to come down until it hits one of those levels. And then if it rejects 1550, then either 1520. Yeah, I think that would be the key scenario here. But yo, Kevin, what's going on with you? What is going on? How was your weekend? How was everybody's weekend, by the way? Did you guys do anything exciting? I'm gonna go ahead and look at Rocket and see what their short interest is. That's what's up. Okay, so the short interest for rocket companies is 16,389,298 shares with a short interest ratio of 8.43 days to cover. Short interest percentage of the flow is 12.37%. We still have a whopping 3,200,000 shares, short shares available as of 14 hours ago. And the cost of borrow fee is only from a minimum of 0.32% to 0.41. So I think they're going to be using some of those shares to kind of like short this down a little bit. So yeah, if you can see it from here, especially on the 4 hour, you can see that this is actually starting to lose weakness and starting to pull back. So once 1585 gets taken out, you're gonna see this alright push back to like 1550. And like I said, if it doesn't hold from there, it's gonna probably try to go for $15 as the next level of support. So that's my take on it for rocket companies. Let's see. Oh shoot. Wait a minute. Wow. What is this, Kevin? I appreciate you getting my joke, or at least humoring me. Need to get my coffee. What was the joke? Huh? Did I miss something? Eric thinks he is a bird. That's Spanish for cuckoo. Hola, ¿qué pasa, mi amigos? So Anubis says that. Oh, what is this? Okay. Appreciate your input. I might buy puts. Yo, just remember, you're your own decision maker of your investments, man. Woo! What else is going on right now? Let's see. ZJ Whale is back below $3. I'm gonna switch. Hold on. I need to switch the. I need to switch the chart layout. Oh, that was the joke? He was spreading FUD? Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. It just happened again. What is this? What is this? Are we like... Are we tanking? What's going on? Oh, that's not. But the ADX is super red. It's strong on the reds, like... Strong trend on the bearish side, but you see the RSI here just oversold, so it's gonna try to rebound a bit here, but if it rejects, yes, come down to Papi, 'cause that's the way I want you, right down there, right down there. Oh, wow. Okay. So SQQQ ended up coming back up to 915, 916 from close at 905. Really interesting there. 4 hour. See what the 4 hour states here. You know what? The 4 hour looks pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie here. Just look at the trend itself. Look at the trend itself. It was pretty much in this uptrend here for a while on this channel, and it ended up bouncing. And it had the buy signal here and everything, the 7-day simple moving average moving up, and creating some type of a bull flag here that ended up following a nice leg up or a breakout. And I think this breakout could happen, and potentially we would have another test at 950. Especially when interest rate decision is just 2 days ago. I mean, 2 days away. And not only that, but if you notice, we're actually close to getting ourselves a golden cross right there. So if this occurs, I would think that that would come into fruition, and we would see a big breakout there on the SQQQ, and we'll try to test 950 once again. So that's cool. I like that. I'm gonna leave it like this just in case. We'll still continue to see what occurs with actually it just closed here at 543.43. So now we go back to SPY futures, and SPY futures just opened up. Is that what I'm seeing right now? Oh my God! Look. So now you got the E-mini futures down 16.75 points, down 0.31%. Ligginy Crack. Hello Lion, have you been following the debate on black holes with Stephen Hawking, and he's walking off? Oh my God. Anubis. Anubis. Take a look at futures. You will see your answer right there. Johnny. What's up, my man? How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. Don't you dare give us a freaking green candle, you piece of... You better continue going down all the way down south. Alright? You better get your ass down. Come on. This is perfect. It's like a slow transition, like, and it's, you know, slowly coming down. We have a steady slope here on the 200, the 50-day, and the 7-day simple moving average. You know that is a well-established bearish divergence, a downward trend, in my opinion. Non-financial advice. Pamela Law. What's up? Welcome back. Johnny, dinner time. On my way home now too busy. Didn't get a chance to go into didn't get a chance to go to the stream. How did that stream go today, huh? How was the stream? Johnny, let us know when you get home safe. How is the SPXS look compared to the SQQQ? Good question. Oh, my jaw. Oh my God. Yeah, just another bloody stinking day. Everything just coming back. Everything coming back freaking bloody. Direction daily S&P 500 bear 3 times. I'm guessing 3 times the leverage. But I feel like it's pretty much the same as SQQQ, right? I mean, let's take a look. Yeah. See that? No different. Especially in the way that the simple moving averages are looking like right now. On the 5-minute especially, it has the same exact patterns going on there. If we take a look at, let me see the 4-hour real quick. You can see right there that it has also the similar trend as SQQQ, and it's almost following it to the T. And I feel like it's going to definitely print SPXS. It's got that buy signal too as well, so I feel like this can start to take another leg up if this continues. I feel like when we see things like this here so close to the interest rate decision, I really do feel like this could literally set off something from what I see. So this better, you know, start doing something crazy. Let me just look at the futures real quick. Even look, we had just got I just noticed this now in the 4 hour on SPY futures, E-mini futures. We got a death cross. We got a death cross. That's bearish for y'all. You can definitely see here the EMA Ripster cloud. You see this band? Well, it's like a band or a cloud that I usually like to show a lot. And here you can see the transition from red to green. Here, but then you can see the thickness from how the red was, where there was more momentum to the downside. But here you can see that it didn't last too long and it was a lot thinner. And you can see this turn back around and transition to bearish. And now it's in the cusp of actually turning back down, and you're gonna see some crazy drops here in a couple of hours maybe. I still think we can definitely go back down to 54.50 soon. I'm gonna add 1430 as well. Just in case if things get crazy. Matcha Choo Choo. Yeah, yo, he's here. Johnny, Eric is here. We were all looking for him on Discord, wondering what happened. Let's see. Okay, so Zelly was saying hardly any movement. If it's in options, data burn. Of course, that's when you always have to make sure that your options are a bit more further out in expiration date. And taking risks like that, you know, and you know, doing it for the expiration for this week, you know, it's kind of tricky unless you time it right. Let's see, what am I doing here? Okay, it looks like it's trying to rebound a little bit, but no. If it turns into a bear flag, that changes everything. I still think this is bearish. Mark Maddox, what's up, man? Damn, Lion, what'd you do to piss her off? Zelly Zen, he's spreading FUD? No, not me. Not at me at all. I'm being a good Lion. I'm being a good boy. Yeah. So SPXS, I think the same thing goes for TECS, because you have here Direction Technology bear 3 times shares, and you can see this too as well taking shape. And I feel like I know sometimes, like, we get to have, you know, a little moments here and there, and you know, I'm good with, like, you know, certain things being said that's kind of, you know, dirty, but I just don't allow that type of sayings on the chat. So I just had to do it. So yeah, for 5 minutes, but you know, at least have some respect. That's all I gotta say. Cause that was a little too much. Like, you gotta think about like how I'm trying to promote this channel and try to provide a type of environment here. So just watch what you say, and that's it. All right. So no hard feelings, all right, but just respect is all I ask for in the chat in general. Anyway, we got 4 minutes to think about that. But anyways, I was trying to explain to Don't At Me Bro. Somebody else also actually showed me this ticker symbol TECS. Direction, technology, bears, 3 times shares. I think it all falls in the same category. You know, when you're short, you're bear against the market, you get into these tickers, SQQQ, so forth, and then, you know, it all follows and whatnot. Of course, they are in the lowest. They're pretty cheap, in my opinion, especially TECS, which is at like 668, and before it was like, where was this at? Like 5 something. Last time we actually reviewed this. Yeah, that was like 580 last Tuesday. It was at a low of 503, so from 503 to 668, that's a pretty good gain there. You know? So I feel like, you know, looking at the trend and how it looks like, it's definitely showing me that there is a lot more established trend going to the upside, and that's what I'm trying to see here. Perhaps you could definitely see TECS go to $7 and then SPXS go to like $8, and just SQQQ following right through that. You know? In terms of like what the market is doing right now, you can see it overall here when I zoom out all the way. Hold on, when I zoom out all the way, you can literally see the 50-day simple moving average and the 200-day simple moving average is crossing over each other in a death cross. And now it's starting to begin once again that, you know, that trend. Hold on, how do I do this? Or wait, like this? You know? So then you would start to see more of that divergence take place. So I would assume, I mean, I don't know exactly what would happen if they decide to not cut interest rates this Wednesday. But I feel like it would be a surprise if they did start cutting on Wednesday instead of September, which I'm pretty sure there was a lot of people that were actually, you know, assuming that that would be the situation for the Fed to do. So I feel like that's another thing that we need to look forward to. Look carefully and see if we get that going. Let me quickly go to SPY on Robinhood, because since it's past 8 o'clock, you know, the 24-hour markets are running right now. So S&P 500 currently at 543.10. So it almost broke below $543. It looks like it's actually trying to rebound here. It looks like it had somewhat of a double bounce here. One here, resistance would be around 544. Let's see. I mean, there's a nice there's a bear wick here, so it definitely pushed down a lot ever since it touched here. It's giving off another a sell signal right there. Boom. See this happen? That's the signal right there, and it's gonna show us and tell us if it's gonna actually push down, or if it's actually gonna confirm this this candle being over the 7-day moving average, and then have this push up a bit. We'll see. Let me get back to the comments here. Thank you, Pam. I'm just being reasonable and just making sure things are in order and check. Kevin is doing what? ISO? I think I saw that. ISO work training for 3 days. So we're not gonna have Kevin for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? Damn. I mean, sooner or later, I mean, it's... I mean, you go for the training, but then afterwards, then you could be able to work for yourself. You tell your boss, I won't tell the boss your feelings, always helps. Oh man, I bought puts for Friday on ASTS. Am I cooked? Can't really... Well, you already know the saying, can't really give you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But what is this ASTS? This is, what is this? Okay, cool. Maybe. Alright, ASTS. Let's see this. Let me just take another bite of this fried salami, and I'll tell you what I think. Okay. Is that what happened, huh? The stock exceeded the S&P 500, which registered a gain of 0.08% for the day. The investment community will be closely monitoring the performance of AST SpaceMobile Inc. in its forthcoming earnings report. The company is forecasted to report an EPS of negative 19 cents, showcasing a 20.83% upward movement from the corresponding quarter of the prior year. And furthermore, it would be beneficial for investors to monitor any recent shifts in analyst projections for AST SpaceMobile Inc. And these latest adjustments often mirror the shifting dynamics of short-term business patterns. With this in mind, we can consider positive estimate revisions a sign of optimism about the company's business outlook. Damn. Okay. 8 hours ago here, it says that AST SpaceMobile to ship the first 5 commercial satellites. And they had announced the successful completion of the first 5 commercial satellites, marking a key advancement in developing a space-based mobile network intended to offer widespread coverage, particularly in regions that lack traditional telecommunications infrastructure. Dubbed Bluebird, these satellites are equipped with the largest ever commercial communications arrays, spanning 693 square feet. They will be deployed in low Earth orbit to potentially offer non-continuous service across the United States, using over 5,600 cells within the premium low band spectrum. Yeah. We got Eric G summoning everybody over here. Yes, fried salami and fried plantains. Okay. So let me just take a look at the chart here real quick. Wow, what the hell? Serious? Don't at me. Don't at me. Really? This thing ran from probably around the same time the AMC and GME exploded, around middle of May. And it looks like ASTS also had its own little sneeze here, and this thing ran up almost 800% in 76 days. So wow, that is pretty crazy there. I did not realize ASTS was at that point, and that's crazy. That is crazy. Would I say that this is actually peaking out and probably selling off and people taking profits at this point? I would think that would be the possibility here for ASTS, and probably have this thing come back down to a certain level where I feel it would start to consolidate and issue and establish a bottom there. So I'm gonna take a closer look here, and I see Travis. Cheers, brother. Welcome back, and Kat is also on the chat. So welcome back, Kat. Good to see you. Hopefully you guys had a great weekend and everything as well. And Eric has a picture of a doggy. Interesting. That's cool. Dirty Sanchez. Ouch, man. Ugh. This thing had a nice... ASTS had a nice golden cross right there. Right around June 10th. And along the way, it just, you know, built a nice trend here going up. Very nice. Looks like a nice rocket here going on there. That's cool, right? Look at that. But since it looks like it kinda, sorta wanna try to pull back. Power stroke is back. I don't. Oh, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar? Oh, shoot. Hey, how did the euro and the pound do last weekend? How was that, Power Stroke? And how was your weekend, Power Stroke? Stroke, Power Stroke. Sorry. Trend here on the 4-hour. You know what? Don't at me. Don't at me. You can be transparent here, but what you bought puts for ASTS for Friday, and you're taking a big risk, which I'm surprised here, but what strike did you get those puts for? I'm a little curious. But But in the meantime, Aussie. New Zealand. New Zealand with a nice. Oh shoot. New Zealand with a nice trend there. Wow. That is nice. This is actually giving us a nice trend too as well on the Aussie New Zealand dollar trading pair here. I think this is pretty cool. You still have a nice strong buy signal here with the bullish EMA cloud. You're just hanging around here. I would think that it would actually move and just potentially break over 111,500. So maybe want to put that, like right here. As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna add an alert right here. Boom and boom right there. Maybe those alerts go down, and then you have the alert here, which would be, if it's bearish, it would actually fall right below 1.11400. So you would need to break over 1.11500 right there. Hey. Let me just go back to ASTS. Go to the 1 hour. And is Don't At Me still here? Yo, Don't At Me. Where you at, Don't At Me? Okay. Okay. Let me see if ASTS is trading on the 24-hour markets here. No, it's not. Okay. Okay. $17.5 and a $19 put. Damn, okay. What? Tired of my name mug, so I put my mom's pup on here. Her name is Stella after the beer. Stella Ortis. Damn, all these freaking notifications popping up here. Short interest for ASTS 26,715,813 shares. Short interest ratio 2.12 days to cover. Short interest percentage flow of 21.47%. So it's actually it's a little high. It's not so bad. 1,600,000 short shares available as of 8 hours ago, and a cost to borrow fee of 2.50%. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? What does that mean? Will it actually pop a little bit, or will it actually fall down? Because here in the hourly, we pretty much see a potential sell-off here happening All right, when we grow, like when we go a little closer here, and like I showed you here, the EMA cloud, how even though it's not that thick, but it's now like consolidating here, it's probably gonna turn back down, and then it will probably sell off. You got the support here around this area here, so I want to say, in my opinion, not financial advice, I would say that you need to see ASTS come back down here between 820 and 830. I mean 1820 and 1830. Have that pullback here because like I said, you got that sell signal here, that red line, and then it has to fall from there, right? And then if it breaks below 1820, then I want to say those $19 puts would actually come in handy. But I want to say it's tough. I mean, I think even if it actually were to move tomorrow and come down to 1820 or 1830, those 17.5 puts would actually make some type of move, and it would be up to you, your decision to make, if you're willing to just trim and take the rest off the table, you know, or hold. But remember, like I always say, you're your own decision maker of your money and your investments. As you know, as long as you're knowing your limits, your risks, and you know what I'm saying. So, Chris Wilson back on the chat here. Welcome back to the stream, Chris. My brother, what's going on with you? How is everything? Is back. What is going on? Y'all like corgis? Yo, corgis are cool. They make their butts jiggle and everything. It's funny. Here's another view of ASTS on the 45-minute time frame. Salute. Saludo. So, Calling it up. Write it up from here. Yeah, because you can see how, and this is just, again, like my opinion, but you can see it many times where it tried to break above it. It had many attempts right about these specific moments. You had those opportunities, and then it failed, and then it rejected. Especially here, around between 9:15 and 10 in the morning. Actually, no, after 10 in the morning, you had all of that just drop, and then come back to this area. Then come back up here, and during the aftermarket hours, literally consolidate. So then you would think, okay, so then if it's that weak, I'm pretty sure it's going to eventually continue down, because even the EMA clouds here, it's looking a bit weak. It's consolidating here. If you look closely here on the MACD2 as well, let me see here. Yeah, you can see the blue cross back under the orange line, and then looking for another another potential to go down a bit more. So that one. RSI is still somewhat in the overbought territory, so it still needs some room to actually drop down. And also the the ADX. The ADX here at a lighter, darker shade of green, so it's losing its trend on the bullish side. And it turns around and turns into a shade of red, then you know that you're in the I want to say you're on the safe side of ASTS actually coming down. So it's either that, and I would say including whatever happens in the market. So if the markets also tend to sell off some more, then that would actually work in your favor in terms of your puts. Hopefully that is the case, but remember, just play it safe. And this was not financial advice. Let's see. Don't at me. How are you? Everyone that's watching, how are you? Good, Travis. Yeah, man. Just my birthday was pretty good too as well. Had fun. Had a great birthday. Learned how to make a pizza, and played some golf, and that was it. But yeah, thank you for asking. Red wine and cigar. Just something to mellow out with. Especially with this beat called Eclipse. Rain is good in Utah, needs some. It's been hot and dry for too long. Ow! Give me 1 second. What? Oh, so let's just say, Travis, I had just made it into the 80s before it was all over, and that we ended up going into the 90s. Maybe you'll have a good idea of how old I am right now. How young I am, actually, yeah. Fishy, yo. There you go. Fishy was summoned by Eric. What was that? Fishy was that? I sound 27? Damn, that's... I'll take it. I'll take it, man. Thank you. Gotta conserve the youthness of my voice. Maybe it's also my personality too, so. Aww. I was barely an 80, baby. That's crazy, right? The 15-minute chart is telling me that this is looking a little crazy here. What is this? That is correct, Travis. Wow. There you go. It was an 89, baby. Shout out to the Cancers and the Leos. Whose birthday is on Cancer and Leo. Shout out to y'all. Leo, 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 Leo. I am. So you the little homie then, like. I am not as little as you think. I think I'm a little, you know, a little big, yeah. You remember I was talking about how this would go lower, how this would go below, literally go below 10 cents here for XLM here. The way it looks like, looks a little tad bearish here, honestly. So it could fall a little bit more, maybe back down to 0.097. Maybe look at the way that Bitcoin has been moving. It actually did reach 70. Actually, did reach 70,000. Apparently here at 8 in the morning. 8 in the morning. And now you see Bitcoin once again rejecting off of the 70,000 region, and therefore it's just quite evident that it just does not want to break above 70,000. It's just weak. Look at the weekly. Let's look at the weekly right now. Look at how the weekly looks. You got a little bit of a triple top here, kind of resembling a triple top. If you guys can see that. I mean, it could. I don't know, but it could possibly, maybe. I don't know. But the way that this weekly candle here is looking for Bitcoin, it's like, hello. Maybe 63,000 before this week is over. And you do have the 50-day simple moving average here at 50,000. What would you guys think about Bitcoin at 50K, huh? That's crazy. Again, NFA here, so. I picked up a shipping container of XDC. A shipping container? What the hell? That is what? Wait, what is this, Zully? A mice and a lion. Tom and Jerry? What is this? Somebody's look at that. Bitcoin analyst predicts super cycle with a target of 220,000 per Bitcoin, but this must happen first. Let's see. What is this gonna try to do? It's gonna try to actually come back down to like what, 55,000 and then freaking run? Apparently this is what it's showing here. This is on the monthly, actually. Interesting. So by the end of okay. That's weird. The golden bull phase, as seen in the chart above, followed the approval of the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF and saw the entry of the traditional financial players into the crypto market, leaving 48K to 74K range. How did this go to 220,000 though? That's crazy. Yeah, I don't believe that. It's too good to be true. Too good to be true, guys. Too good to be true. I am a rat Chinese calendar. Oh, you're the rat. They're gonna have everybody here doing some research of the potential years of the rat. Oh my god. Yeah. Crazy. Bam. That's funny. Whew. Goodness gracious. Oh shoot. Oh look, wait. Yo, power stroke. Power stroke. Power stroke, I just got the alert right now. Aussie and New Zealand dollar actually just came down to 1.114. It's a little bit bearish. Damn, that thing just tanked. Wow. Wow, let's go back to his comment. Back to his comment, let's see. Let's see, where's power stroke? Damn, he just retracted that? You serious right now? Power stroke just retracted that. He retracted that. Literally. And he just This thing just dropped. That thing dropped hard, and it looks like it could just drop below that. Really, it could just literally just drop right now below that. Damn. Power stroke is he's making them gains right now. Interesting. Very interessante. Oh my god. Oh, what is this? What is this, huh? Oh my god, why? Why? Mullen stock flirts with $1 as Mullen files to resell up to 85 million shares. Mullen reverse split its shares in a cumulative ratio of 1 for 22,500 shares last year. That's crazy. Look, it just dropped again. Oh my god, Power Stroke. Is Power Stroke still here? Look at the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. This thing broke below the 200-day simple moving average. This thing is about to tank. Literally, just that's crazy. It's practically oversold now. It's crazy. Kevin, can you retract all your comments about me? Thank you. My name is trademark. Hilarious. We're not salsa. No, we're not salsa. Let's see what XRP is doing. Oh, XRP is actually doing the same thing. It's actually coming down a little bit too. Interesting. Oh my god. Damn, why is the spy trying to? Why are you trying? Why are you trying? Just sell off. Nobody wants you up here, like for real. Look at this. Back to 544. 03. Exactly. Because you know you're not going up anymore. You're going down. You're never coming back up ever again. I'm calling it right now. You coming back down. Spy is going to crash. Hear me? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. What do we got going on the VIX? The VIX spiked up today. Just 1625 to 1660. What is the DXY looking like? DXY looks like it's kind of coming back down a bit here. Projecting, but it was up almost 10460. DJT is at $30. Exactly $30 a share. And ChargePoint is still above $2. They're just consolidating there. Showing us some of that barcoding action. Yeah, XLM and XRP all the way. BIG, Big Lots is it looked like it tried to hang on for a bit, but as of this morning, it took another sell-off, and maybe $1, going back to $1 here. or just bouncing over 105. Could be possible here. This is barcoding too. Damn, this barcoded all day. BIG barcoding all day. Barely any volume for Barnes and Noble. What else? Butterfly barcoding. Aware still hanging around $2. It looks like a constant here uptrend on Aware. AMC when I thought that this was supposed to happen, you can't. That's nothing. You didn't see anything here. That's actually nice. So I guess this is well, it's actually trying to survive the trend line here. And you can see here after that big dump that took place on Wednesday, when they had announced surprise like results for the earnings or like a preview, that thing dropped, and then the next day it picked right back up and it stayed right over the trend line here, and right back into the channel, the upper channel that I have going on here. And you're thinking that maybe I mean this could take a while, but you know we are still hanging around the 50-day simple moving average, and you got here the 7-day simple moving average is crossing over the 50 and trying to see that maybe this could hold up. But if it doesn't, then bearish case scenario for AMC, just in case, you know, if SPY decides to like dump hard some more, maybe you'll see AMC back to $5 support level, where it really needs to like stay above and respect this trend line here and bounce back to 530 like it did today. And the same thing goes for GameStop, but for some reason GameStop is taking more of like maybe like a double bottom approach here. The last low here was at 23.35, right around this wick. I want to say yeah, around that range. But damn, I mean it just looks bloody overall. You know. Let me take a look at the hourly and see what that's doing. The hourly just having consistent sell signals here, just keeps going down with it, and the EMA cloud also thick in the red. Let me see what GME is doing on the overnight hours, because if it's below 2630, then that means that, yeah, I think maybe possibly GME could look for more downside potential. And of course, like, you know, nobody wants to see it come back down again. But GME is actually at, okay, well, it's still hanging around the same price around where it closed. Jason G, welcome back. What's good with you, man? Yo, yo, yo. Got Eric G and Jason G. The two G's here. How's everything with you? Looks pretty interesting, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's still hovering around the price close, the closing price. AMC, I want to say AMC is still maintaining that still maintaining that trend. I want to say it's still looking forward to perhaps maybe get closer to that golden cross. I mean, it could happen tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. Not a lot of volume today either. You had a volume of 13.69 million, and GME had a volume of only just 7.25 million, where the average volume that we've seen so far was around 22.96 million, and looks a little bearish in my opinion. You can see it here also on a 30-minute time frame. The 50-day simple moving average just trying to move away from the 200, which is what you don't want to see. And what you want to see is the stock obviously rebound and have the 50-day simple moving averages move back around and try to break over the 200. And that was a little, I think it's, you know what I mean. So it's just this is an example there, but just to say that GME can't turn around now and start seeing some upside potential here, because it would have to at least try to break over 2380 to confirm some type of action, in hopes that maybe we can see $24 again. And then after that, who knows? NFA. And what we've seen today here on the short interest, the basic stats on Fintel for AMC, is that you have short interest of 53,744,937 shares with a short interest ratio of 2.36 days to cover, and a short interest percentage of the float with 14.65%. Now you have here from 650,000 shares, short shares available. Now as of a minute ago, it dropped to 500,000. And if you notice here, you got new data here. Cost to borrow fee from 374, the minimum. We had a max today of 4.51 cost to borrow. And now it's at from start to max of 3.80%. You just got to see that now it's actually increasing, and if it increases a lot more than ever, you would guess right off the bat that something is going down. If you're seeing the cost to borrow rate here increase the way it is, what just hit? Oh my god. Where is Power Stroke? Oh my goodness. What is going on with the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar? Look at this. It's literally hit the next alert here, and of course because on the 5-minute chart you see the candle obviously break below the 200-day simple moving average, which is completely bearish. You got the sell signal right there on top. You could see a potential death cross here happening within the next hour or so, and we'll probably let's say 11338. We can put that as the next alert and see if that hits. But that is crazy, right? So just to see that real quick, and that's wow. I think you see that. I think it was still going down too, right? Let me see. Okay, no, it jumped up a little bit. Look, it almost literally hit the next trading because he knew that it was gonna come down. So good luck to him. That's what I'm waiting for. Like, please, like let the SPY just freaking drop like the way it is right now. 540 and below by tomorrow, maybe. Oh my god, my back hurts. Oh, my back hurts. Let's see the 5-minute here. Barcoding, but it looks like it. You know what's crazy? That's insane. Hold on. Jeez. So you telling me that AMC only closed a penny down? 9.19%? That's barely nothing. Hold on. Wow, so AMC closed just a penny shy from Friday's closing. So we're literally just break even. Wow, okay. Interesting. And it looks like the MACD too as well is kind of like recovering in a way. So perhaps a good sign. It definitely is. Oh yeah. $543.70. Okay, so it's actually. Yes, Fishy. Freaking crying. Ridiculous. Ridiculous right now. What we're seeing right now is, we're actually seeing, let's see what we got. I think the SPY is getting a little weak now. Because the SPY is actually coming back down from. No. Stop going to 544. Drop you, idiot. God. A believable traffic was good. I'm in house. See you guys tomorrow. Alright. Johnny is safe home. Safe home. Johnny is home safe. Glad you could make it for a little bit on the stream. So, Johnny, enjoy the rest of your night with the fam and everything, and catch you later. And ya tú sabes, tranquilo, suave. Y que tengan buena noche, tú sabes, loco. Oye, manito, macho chuchu, loco, macho chuchu. Chuchu. Here, I'm gonna hit her with another alert right there, bam, and then bam, and another one right over, bam, like that. It's Johnny, dinner time, Rodriguez. Let's go. I will hose down your gold diggers. Oh shoot, Eric. You gonna take that disrespect from him, yo? What's going on? What's going on? You gonna let him talk to you like that about your gold diggers? Let me know. See what we can do with him right now. Let me see something. Alright, he said Mullen. Oh my God, Mullen is that? Yo. No way! Oh my God! Yo, Mullen is. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see this. Oh God! Oh no! That is nasty. Look at Mullen. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Like that's it. Just send it to the OTC, man, already. Like, that's it. Poor stock. What an incompetent loser of a CEO, too, allegedly, in my opinion. Jesus running down the stock like that. That is sad. That is real sad. Do I even bother looking at the fintel for that one? Let me look at the fintel for Mullen. And apparently the cost to borrow fee is at 104.80%. Yeah, this thing is like getting heavily shorted like so crazy. 450,000 shares available. Just short. Short interest percentage of the float 31.90%. God. Gee golly willikers. Blah 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 blah. Let's see if there's anything on okay, so 4 hours ago you have short seller Andrew Left, who shorted GameStop, surrendering on securities fraud charges in LA due in court. So yeah, that jackass is looking at 370 years in prison for securities fraud against hundreds of thousands of retail investors. Unbelievable. And don't forget to rat out all of your buddies. I'm sure they'll offer you a great deal at Cintron Research. First time Andrew Left, he got had. Second time, he's getting charged with securities fraud. Lord. The court, it was in LA. The trial was in LA, and he surrendered. Like he was like, alright, like whatever. There, you guys got me. I'm not gonna deny it. I did it. You can charge me, whatever. R.I.P. Andrew Left. He left the soap on the floor. Yikes. Yeah, if it's a federal prison, then yeah, you definitely. You already know that things are going to get a little crazy for him. Oh, was that an alert? Oh, that was an alert. Uh-oh. Oh. You got an alert on the SPY. The S&P 500. What do we got? What do we got now? You said Ryan Cohen has some important tweets. All right, take a look at that. Okay, you see that there's a next 5-minute candle here, looking bearish. Now, what we need to see, of course, is a break up below 548.575. I'm gonna get it later though. Let's freaking go! Golazo! And then for the Aussie and New Zealand pair, yeah, this thing is still coming down pretty hard there. Shoot. Let's look at the tweets. Let's see. Ryan Cohen. Ryan Coco. That's not him. Hold on. What's this thing? Hold on. That's not right. Oh, what the hell? He changed his picture? Are you serious right now? No way. No way. He literally turned himself into a girl. Ryan Cohen is now transgender. He goes by the pronouns she, her, and hers. Doesn't he look pretty? Hey, lick in the crack. Were you Myron? You Myron? You better go get his number. So he posted. Oh, maybe some replies. I think he got some replies here. Okay, so are you human or AI? He asks that. Greg looking as it's weird. This thing here that they did on the Olympics, which is quite despicable. Here it says the new religion designed to destroy and create their dependency. So he posted that 2 days ago. In replies to this post here, and then he replied here. It says, if you had him, what would you name him? That beast of a freaking devil dog. He said that he would name him Donald Trump. Oh my god. Oh my god. Insane. Power to the players. Yer. Was that were those the tweets that you're talking about? Oh my god, yo, why you popping for, dude? Stay the F down. Nobody wants you up here. Just sell off. I'm curious to see if he actually. Okay, he did tweet it 11 hours ago, talking about. This is for AMC. All hail Disney as AMC keeps setting records. AMC's highest weekend, Thursday through Sunday, for attendance, admissions, revenue, food and beverage revenue, and merchandise sales of 2024, thanks to Deadpool. 6 million guests graced our AMC theaters and Odeon cinemas. Graced and maybe desecrated and did some nasty things in there too as well watching the movie. I'm joking. So you got any replies? Let me see if you got any replies. No, he doesn't. Okay. Alright, this guy's trash. This would be a good time to do the Trump auto-tune suite. Nah, my voice is too tired for that. I might just start calling the stream a little bit soon. Apparently after hours, there was a order here, time and sales of 57.57 thousand shares at 23.60. Interesting. Gangster's Paradise after hours quite busy with one transaction. I wonder why that was the case. And Juan Naranjo, good to see you, man. Happy Monday night. All right, bet. Just know that the notifications is gonna come out. All right, so I feel like I might have to just mute the notifications here. Hold on, just a second. How do I do that? I have no idea. Shoot. Alright, I guess. We could do it after the stream, and you can message me on Discord. Let's see. Yeah, man, appreciate it. Good to see you too as well, man. I was trading though. Did you get to get into any good trades today, or? Let's see Wolf. What is Wolf doing? Okay, so Wolf is actually slowly. Oh, I actually can't. Wait, hold on. Did I go over Wolf around here? Oh, it's actually coming down back to 320 here. Okay, it's been in his range for a while. So Wolf could come down back to 320 if it falls below that. Then $3. Interesting. Oil is actually dropping back down. So I had a nice death cross here. It's actually coming back down. Wow. Interesting. Tesla. What was going on with Tesla? Oh. Tesla with a nice rebound here. Jeez. Okay. 210 all the way to 230. Jeez. So the next resistance is around 240 then, if that's the case. Here at the 50-day simple moving average. 240. What did I do for my birthday weekend? No, just, you know, I hung out with a good friend of mine, and went to this place to, it was like a place, like an Italian restaurant, but it was like you can make your own pizza pie, and they give you like a flour, like they actually give you the pizza dough in front of you, and then you start taking the formation of the pizza and stretching out the dough, pizza dough. And then you have the ingredients and everything, the sauce, so you know, put all of that afterwards in sequence, and then they take it and then they cook it for you. So I thought it was pretty cool because you get to actually feel and actually experience how it is to actually make a pizza, you know. I even got to do one of those things where like you toss the flour, I mean not the flour, the pizza dough, and then spin it in midair and try to catch it. So I thought that was pretty cool, and yeah, I had a lot of prosecco too, a lot of prosecco. So that got me pretty lit. And then afterwards, I played some miniature golf, and that was it pretty much. So it was pretty fun, pretty cool. Nothing too crazy, you know, just a simple good time. Birthday, that's it. I appreciate you asking, man. Thank you. Yes, toss the dough. Eric, man. Alright, Juan Naranjo says, only new recent trades I've made were XLM, Shiba, Ethereum. Keeping my eye on these earnings on the calendar too. My only hope this week is that AMC touches $6 or more. That is the target. That's supposed to, yeah, that's definitely the next target for AMC. It's got to be $6, you know. But again, depending on what the market does, you just gotta be careful. You gotta watch out what it does, and if it affects the price action of AMC, including GME, you know, then you know that it's not ready yet to make any, you know, critical moves. in my opinion. So, Saba, wow, okay. Wait a minute. When did we last talk about Saba? Guys, remember? Look at the way this is trending right now in the 4 hours. That is crazy. It closed today at 1802, 20.78%. Wow. Wow. And then look at the 24-hour chart here. Wow. Holy crap. Sheesh. So since the 18th of July, this thing went up just about 90% in 11 days. And this stock moved up about, I want to say 26% around there. So not bad at all. Cassava making moves here. You know, it reminds me of what AMC was doing before. You remember they took that drop, took that nice little drop there, right here. Took a nice drop and then it popped right back over and started uptrending. Yeah, something like that. Huh. I made hot sava everywhere. Jesus. Nice. UGM and oh shit, Chris. Okay. He GMs an upscale pizza restaurant. Everything you said I can do regarding the restaurant. Oh shoot. Including tossing the dough. Do you like to toss the dough a lot too as well? Are you mostly like in the kitchen, or are you like just overlooking the whole restaurant in general? I made hot sava everywhere. You guys hear this, Kevin? Eric? Look in the crack. You nasty. Dough tossing expert. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Do you toss a salad with the pizza? Oh my god. That's dope. That is dope. I like that. Oh my god, I'm sweaty. What the hell? Sweaty, I'm sweaty, I'm hot over here. I'm sweaty over here, yeah. Spinning the dough, tossing the salad. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Stephen Kukos. Stephen Kukos on the chat. Welcome to the Lion's Den, sir. Good to have you here. And yeah, could definitely look at the chart for SQQQ. But again, just know that based on what I'm seeing, you know that you're your own decision maker at the end of the day of what you do with your options. As long as you know your risk and you know your limits. Let's see what's going on here. I think we did review it earlier in the stream, but we can look at it again and see what's happening here. And yeah, for sure. All right, and you already see the SQQQ. Kevin's like, you have to subscribe. You have to subscribe in order to see my take on it. Let's see, because right now, the best thing that you can do. Okay, awesome. All right, Eric G. Okay, we'll definitely talk later, because I did see your messages pop up, so I'm gonna write to you when I get done with the stream. And you too, Travis. Yeah, man. Enjoy your nap. And of course, thank you for joining, as always. Much love to you, hermano. Y que duerma bien y que tenga un, tú sabes. Okay, so on to the 4 hour chart. And the 4 hour chart, you can see SQQ here in this upper channel since July 11th, and in a nice pattern like what? You're 32, you don't need that. Yeah, so pretty much here on this trend, upward trend in the channel, and the next bounce over here, pretty much around the same time where the markets were turning back down and dropping a lot in percentage, in a couple of days in a row, which was crazy, and we ended up breaking above that trend line here, and establishing here, which would be a bull pennant or a bull flag, and SQQQ is trying to hold that and hopes that we can actually continue seeing this leg up happen and try to hit 950, which is the last resistance for SQQQ. And you already know that once it breaks 950, we can be able to see eventually more upside for SQQQ, because quite frankly, I mean, this thing has pretty much rebounded from the low of 714, and that would tell us that was pretty much the bottom of SQQQ, and hoping that also this weekly candle closes in the green and breaks over 950 in what could be possibly, in my opinion, and not financial advice, is that if this were to do that, then we would have 3 white soldiers type of pattern. And I know you guys have seen it before. I've gone over this before in the past, and just to show you real quick, because it's like we're doing DD together and we're doing our little research, but I'd say this would be the case. Wait, can we get a bigger? Let me see. Hold on. Okay, so something like this, right? Can you buy it for 100? Wait, what are you talking about? Can you buy the rights for what? For the song? Wait, what the hell happened to? Oh shoot! Wait, what just? Oh, okay. Okay, so the SPY is dropping, Steven. The SPY is currently dropping right now. It just hit $543, and it can break below that. So again, wait, what was that? Another one? Okay, no. So here, just looking at the resemblance right now, quickly. I need to look for another one. Okay, maybe like this. So what we need to see is pretty much here breaking over that 950, and maybe if things get crazy, you know, during the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, and I mean, like, what are the odds of no, seriously, what are the odds of things happening unpredictably and unexpectedly, and all of a sudden the market just freaking craps itself? Then we would see this. Hypothetically, you got the 3 white soldiers candle here happening, and we would see, if this were to come to fruition, the break over 950 and possibly hitting $10. And the time for the interest rate decision is at 2 p.m. Eastern time, including Papa Poo Poo Powell's mouth opening at 2:30, and the meeting to discuss what happened and what happened with the interest rate decision and all of that stuff. Maybe something he says Wednesday could change everything. Who knows? But we would have to find out until then. So that is what I'm trying to see happen with the SQQQ. And now that we see, at the same time, right now, as we look at the S&P 500 mini futures, we see here this is actually turning back around. So if we again break below the last support here at 548.575 and reach new lows, I guess we could say new night lows, because we're in the nighttime here, or overnight lows, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. If it breaks below the last day low, you can guarantee that SQQQ can actually retain and touch 950 back again, and see if we can break over that. So yeah, it does seem feasible. I really hope that's the case, and I hope you print. And I have some SPY puts on my own, which expires tomorrow, and I hope that it goes pretty well too as well, because I really want everybody to freaking print right now. Matt K, what is this? Go watch. A little joking, it's the white dudes for Harris Street. Wait, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, well, oh, it's live. Wait, hold on, what is this? We're coming together to create a space of trust where white dudes can support each other and work to elect Kamala. Oh my god. This can't be for real. This can't be for real. That is crazy. I'm not even gonna listen to what he's saying. And what if it's a scam? We want people to actually like scan the barcode, and all of a sudden, yeah. Is this for real? You gotta find out, because you know, that's crazy. And the chat is also disabled for the live stream, so they can't talk crap about it. I don't know about that. I can't view anything political at this point. So yeah, kinda, yeah, not good. They're gonna fail miserably. They're gonna fail so terribly. It's just how it is. It's a little Trump impersonation there. let's go back and let's find out. Cause I'm curious now. I really. You should listen in case you need to warn others. Oh, wait, about this? Alright, you know what? That's true. Okay, so and there's a lot of these streams here popping up. I just noticed.
Our next guest is someone who's very important to me.
And
he's a dear friend,
one of the
best organizers I've ever known. George Gohl has been organizing rural communities and has taught many of us what we know in his book, The Fundamentals of Organizing. George is a Midwesterner who has been organizing
daughters. $1 pledge from the U.S. to the Green Climate Fund.
Sit next to my daughters and listen to our first Madam President speak.
Oh my God.
That is the thing that I want you all to imagine tonight.
Okay.
Values like standing up for workers' rights and climate action, raising the minimum wage to a living wage.
Okay, and then we got another one here. Let's see.
People's Action, and wrote the book for organizers. Please welcome my dear friend, George Gohl.
Hey, Ross. Thanks for having me.
So wait, is this like so many of them like
very big deal and big move? I've spent 30 years organizing working class people to come together.
What is going on here? Look, they're even posting they're posting links here that looks pretty suspicious here. Yeah, I think I don't know if they're onto something. We just got another alert here. Oh my God. Spy just literally, it's coming down. It's coming down real hard, really fast. We also have here 44 minutes ago posting on the ES Mini Futures news as Australian shares plunge 1% as rate hike concerns persists. So wow, that is crazy. Power Stroke, where's Power Stroke at? Power Stroke here was just talking about the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar pair, forex pair. Yeah, I guess this was pretty much part of it here. He's probably printing right now as we speak. Australian shares dropped more than 1% on Tuesday amid broad-based selling, with banks and commodities leading to losses, while investors remained nervous about whether the economy can weather tighter monetary conditions at home. Wow, so the S&P ASX 200 index was down 1.1% at 7901.5 points. So that is probably what's making also the S&P 500 come down here. Is this the only thing going on right now as of right now? Do not know. I can see right now that the XRP just broke below 60 cents, 5998. What is this? Dude, is this a Harris channel? I will unsubscribe. Hell no. Hell no. Literally was trying to see what the hell was going on here. I do not, again, endorse or go over anything political. I don't do that. I run this. This is a stock channel. And Travis, exactly. We all have different views. We're all strong together, great friends, no matter our political views. But I keep that separate, and I respect everyone's views, no matter what. Right? And that's my forte. Again, I create this platform for you guys to express, to give your opinion on what's happening to the market. Have fun, enjoy the vibes. Pretty much here, just going over what's happening. All right. Yeah, I didn't see that coming at all. I didn't even know what the whole link was all about, honestly, until I saw the name of it. And I'm like, oh, are you kidding me right now? So we do the stocks here. All right, so apologies. All right, guys, don't get the wrong idea, Steven. All right, that's not how we do things here. You can look at my previous streams and my videos. That's not what we do here. All right, now I'm here to focus on the SPY because it's looking kind of spicy and it's looking like it wants to drop and make some new day lows or new night lows, as your SQQQ calls could print, and my puts can print at the same time. That's all we want here, is for that to happen. There's a lot of signs here in the markets for this to tell us that, yeah, we're looking at an economy that's in trouble, and you know, in my opinion, we're literally close. Matt K, Bitcoin down almost 5%. That's another example right there. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Wow, just look at that. How great the drop is right now on Bitcoin, and it could continue to as well. It's pretty much tracking what's going on in the market at the same time. You got was that an article here saying Dogecoin is ready for 30 cents? Is there really an attempt for a breakout right now? Because what we're seeing here on Doge, I think that's it's kind of not happening right now. So we're gonna have to take a look at that closely. All right. And for those that were actually bullish on Bitcoin, you know what I'm talking about. There's no chance. There's no chance right now to see Bitcoin at above 70,000, 75,000. Analysts calling for 225,000 right now. Listen. As you see right now, and if we can just make a comparison of what's happening to Bitcoin and then XRP, you can definitely see that it's also tracking alongside with it. So heck yeah, I'm all with it. I'm all for Bitcoin dropping and bringing XRP and XLM down at the same time to bring us more further down into an accumulation area where we can actually dollar cost average and lower our average cost too as well at the same time, which I think that's actually wonderful. I would rather prefer to do that and get in at a lower level, lower cost. 53 cents, we've seen it before. It could drop down again. You see it on here on the 4-hour chart as it's actually now below the 50-day simple moving average, and we have that sell signal too as well. You see it right here. If I move it a little bit closer, this right here is your little signal, bearish sell signal, not financial advice. So we have to just look at that carefully, as we could see this probably hit right on the mark on 59 cents. XLM here, XLM again, maybe 0.097 here, right above the 200-day simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. So I think that is going to be the next stop if Bitcoin continues to sell off the way it is at the moment. All right, so we gotta see. Also, what I noticed here too as well is the EMA clouds, the Ripster cloud here, perfectly transitioning from bullish to bearish. and it's expanding. So once that also continues, then you would definitely see that bearish divergence here continuing down more. And knowing the fact that Bitcoin has a lot of crazy swings, 64,000 would have to be the next stop if it continues to as well, in my opinion. So this is definitely an area to look out for, and that is my take on that. I need to place some more alerts just in case. Oh, I do have some here. I do think I need to put some here too as well. As far as, well, I don't know, Steven, are you said you're in GME too as well? Is that what you said? And again, thank you for showing the love. Appreciate the vibes and everything. All right, and then we're doing pretty well. I'd like to say that this is indeed what's coming soon. Look at that drop right there, 542.99 on the 24-hour market here on Robinhood. And what if we just wake up and all of a sudden we see SPY 540 dropping right below 540? You know, that would be quite amazing, and you know, that's gonna make us print. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So we just gotta be mindful of that. If you think that SQQQ is gonna rise a lot more than that, if you got shares, that's good too. I'd say shares, you know, you got shares going on, you got accumulating shares, you got dividends getting paid out every quarterly, at a decent price in the meantime, and you know that it's all short term because, you know, now that we see the signs and everything of this downturn in the economy and the stock market, you know, just seeing it from the perspective where you've accumulated for so long, and you got the dividends, and you also got the markets turning back around, and now you're seeing the SQQQ pushing back up, gaining even more on top of everything else that you're doing. That is cool. That is cool. So as long as the SPY just keeps up what it's doing, keep dropping, baby. I want to see you fall, right? Ethereum trying to fall back down too as well. And let's see. We got oil, we got crude oil selling off too as well at the same time. Interesting, when I felt like maybe oil would go the opposite direction if the markets were to fall. I don't know what's going on with oil at the moment. I wonder what Tesla is doing too. I don't know if you guys have Tesla. Steven, how is your night, my friend? Says Travis. And Travis says, bro, Ryan ran for president. You have my vote. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. Definitely. Yeah, okay, it's trying to recover a little bit. Hopefully that's not the case. But I will be ending the stream in just a few moments here. Just wanted to check out what Tesla's doing. 231.71, 232.10. We see here on the 5-minute. Just the 7-day simple moving average just crossing below the 50-day. You got yourself a sell signal here, so I think you definitely see this coming back down to 230. If it breaks below 231.70, then you get to 230. Tesla has crazy swings too. Between SPY and Tesla, I think Tesla definitely has more volatility than I thought. you can see the swings there yourself here on the 5-minute chart. You know, just simply just going up, down. Got entry here, entry here, entry here. If you're doing like puts here, calls here, puts here, calls here, that's just a scalp trader's wet dream. Is that what they call it? I guess. That's what I mean by, you know, Tesla's wild swings. It's something if you were to be able to master and simply have the discipline to know exactly when to have your entry and exit points. That is pretty much how it's going to be. And that's it pretty much. I think that's all that I can go over right now. Let me just quickly look at oh wow, look, it took a huge pump after that big dump. That was a massive dump right there. Wow. And the buy signal just hit right there too as well. That's crazy. That's crazy right there. Is that doing anything to the SPY right now? No. Okay. Alright, so I'm adding alerts here. I'm on a roll, but I have to stop because it's 10 at night, and I want you guys to be able to get some rest and prepare yourself for tomorrow. I think the intensity and the tension is pretty high right now in the markets. Definitely gotta watch out. And there will be some timestamps in the video on the stream, just in case if you missed something, you can just go back and check it out. And yeah, feel free to check it out. Also, thank you, Chris. I see them flames. Here, also, if you haven't, there is a link to the Discord if you want to join in the conversation. We chat around, you know, we go over charts, we go over what's happening, trading floor. I mean, it's all over the place, but damn, he's talking about PN in US. Penis is pumping. And yeah, we just got a lot of information here, just sharing together and seeing what's going on. Hey Lou, rest in peace. And yeah, we just talk it up and we just share information. We learn from each other, and let's see what we can do to benefit from each other with that information. So thank you all. And that's it for tonight's stream. Okay, and again, feel free to share some love. Thank you, Steven, for joining for the first time. Appreciate you. Thanks for understanding too as well from earlier. You already know, fishy. Look at that. Ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills and mouths to feed. Ain't nothing in this world for free. So much love to everybody. Thank you, Eric, Kevin, Chris, Travis, Pam, Kat, Fishy, Licky in the Crack, Nubis, Power Stroke, Jason G, Steven, DBM, Mark R. Just coming with a little bit of RESPECT. You know what it means to everybody. And you got Matt K. Don't at me, bro. Juan Naranjo, Johnny, Benetton Rodriguez, and Benjamin. Thank you to everybody. And we'll check on and see what happens with the SPY, SQQ, and everything that we went over. And let's Let's wish everybody here good luck, and hopefully you guys, again, like I always say, you are your own decision maker of your own investments, your money. As long as you are trading safely, you know your limits and you know your risks. As long as you're making money, that's all that matters. All right, so remember that. Be disciplined. All right, don't be a degenerate like me sometimes. You know, like sometimes I get into ODTs, for SPY, but you gotta get in and you gotta get out. Have a little quickie. And yeah, it gets intense, but it doesn't hurt to just play things on a safe side and make sure that you are good and that your P&L is green. That's what I would like to see from everybody, including myself, and hopefully we are successful at it later on down the road. But with that being said, thank you all, and I wish you a great night. I'll be here tomorrow, same time, 7:30 Eastern time. And like Mark R says, peace, love, health, wealth, happiness, all of that good stuff. Wishing you all of that. And we'll talk in the Discord tomorrow. And have a great night. Line of all trades. Yeah. You thought I forgot, huh? Zelly. Zelly's done. Everybody thank Zelly for a great job as mod. Amazing job, as always. Much love to you. Giant hugs, big hearts. Also, Matt K. Matt K is a mod. He's coming in here joking around sometimes. Mark Maddox. Shout out to you. No hard feelings. All right. Sorry for timing you out for 5 minutes. You could have came back and just probably, said what you gotta say. It's all good. But yeah, and everyone else that didn't come into the stream. Shout out to them too as well. So Kai. Damn. It's a couple of them. But thank you. Thank you everybody. And we'll see you in the next stream. Peace out.